The typewriter arrived in a battered box, keys gleaming despite the thick layer of dust. Jacob, desperate for inspiration, placed it carefully on his desk in the dim light. That first night, he sat before it, fingers trembling, unsure if he should touch the keys. Suddenly, they rattled on their own, printing a chilling message. A scream will shatter the silence at midnight. Jacob scoffed, thinking it a cruel joke. But when midnight struck, a blood-curdling scream tore through the quiet, followed by frantic police sirens minutes later. The next evening, he tried to write, but the machine seized control, jerking his fingers to type. The cat will bleed on the kitchen tiles. Horror froze him as he found his beloved pet sprawled in a pool of crimson, shards of broken glass scattered nearby. Panic gripped him. He smashed the typewriter, but it only hummed softly, untouched. On the third night, it waited silently until he reached out, then clattered out. The writer will die at dawn, strangled by his own hands. Heart pounding, Jacob stumbled back. As dawn approached, his hands, numb and alien, rose slowly to his throat. The last thing he saw was the carriage return sliding left, poised for another line.